Mirabilis, Einstein's miracle year. He completed breakthrough works on the quantum theory of light, exploring light's particle nature, and on the existence of the atom. Then, in what was almost an afterthought, he applied special relativity to mass and energy. And this is what Einstein found. E equals mc squared, which means the energy contained in any object is equal to its mass times the speed of light squared, an enormous number.
Every gram of matter contains a tremendous amount of energy. But if none of that energy escapes, none of that energy can be observed. It's like a fabulously rich man who never spends anything. No one can tell how rich he is.
And if mass contains energy, then energy has mass. Every second, the Earth is struck by 4½ pounds of sunlight. But as remarkable as Einstein's discoveries were, the world didn't seem to notice at first. Who could believe that a 26-year-old patent clerk who worked on physics in his spare time would alter forever our understanding of the universe?
Why was I the one? Normal adults never stop to think about such concepts as space and time. These are things children ask about. My secret is I remained a child. I always asked the simplest questions. I ask them still.